Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Today we're showing the Edifier R1280DBs. These are active speakers with a line out for a sub, also Bluetooth enabled. As you can see, it comes with all the cords and even optical cords and a remote control as well. We're going to show you how to set it up with Bluetooth and get playing with music within minutes. Currently we just have this speaker plugged in, but you would use this cord right here to attach to this speaker. I detached the grill so you could see the speaker front. So here are the two speakers, and then you have the bass coming out of there, and then this is what the grill looks like on the speaker, covered. There we go. Nice. It's perfect for shelves. Here are your three options here. Volume, then you have bass control and treble control right there, and then on the back of this speaker, this is just a simple audio cord connector, left and right there. And then on this back of this speaker right here, you have all the connectors. So you have where you connect to the second speaker, you have the on and off button right here. You have additional line ins, so you have two additional line ins for this speaker. Here's the optical out, the coax, and then the sub out. So if you want to add even more bass, that's always appreciated, those LFE effects. You plug it in right here. And now we'll show you in just a second how to set it up with your phone, your tablet, or your computer. So now we're going to connect via Bluetooth. First thing to do is to press the Bluetooth button on the remote control. Okay, and that sets it up so you can see it in other devices. You tap it once to connect. Okay, now we're going to switch to our browser, and here's some royalty-free music. And you can, of course, adjust the volume on the device itself, or with the remote control. There's volume control right here. I like to use the volume control on the device. It seems to be a little bit easier. All the way down. But it sounds pretty good. And of course you can adjust the bass and the treble controls on the side right there. It's very clear over Bluetooth. So a connected audio device with line in will sound a lot better. But it sounds really clear through Bluetooth anyway. Okay, and then we'll get to some more details here in just a moment. So going back to the remote control, you have the volume up and down, pause and play for tracks, forward track, back track. You can turn it on or off, the speaker itself. There's also that switch in the back that I showed you that's easy to switch on and off. You have your optical and coax buttons here, so you tap once for optical, tap twice for coax. Same thing with the line 1 and 2. So if you have two different devices hooked to this, tap once for line in 1 and tap 2 for line in 2. Then you have mute here and then the power button. And if you want to turn off the Bluetooth, you can do that here, or turn it on for discovery for another device. So that's pretty simple and lightweight Edifier remote control for these Bluetooth R1280DBs active speakers. This is Chris Roshnot. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.